guys, let's play the game trending now in Roblox. Her name is Escape from Mukha Legend. And let's play. Okay. This is the Mukha Legend. So can we escape him? This is the name of the game. If you know, the name of the game is Escape Mukha Legend Tower Beta. I'm just joining my friend Owen Sha 6. Oh my KK. I know. This is my friend. Where's my friend? He is missing. Oh, don't go to the Mukha. No. I'm so scared if I fall. Oh! No! Look. Princess. Oh, my KK. He is so crazy. Bro. What's happening? Let's go to the account. Then if I fall, I will do face reveal. Okay, I will revive because I have some bacon here. Because guys, I know you love bacons. If you like bacons, like the video. If I fall, I will do face reveal. Another one. Because I played the rails, I survived the challenge, so I have a 2 revives. So, oh, my KK. Who is he? Oh, my KK. Okay. That's, oh, my KK. Then let's escape from him. We don't have a revive now, so I'm so scared if I fall. This is so scared, guys. I'm so scared, really scared. Okay, so I do face reveal. But I don't cheat. This is my face reveal. Bye bye. See you next time.